Okay, so we are starting to pack. Mom's getting the suitcases ready. So we're starting to get the packing ready. Got the clothes laid out. When we first get there, it's gonna be like 8:45 at night. So I didn't know if I would have time to run across the street to Publix or not. So I am going to put a few snacks in and coffee items so I can at least have my coffee in the morning. So here we go. Yay! We are on the way to the airport. I just left work to head on our little weekend getaway to Miami Beach. Mom behind the camera, and they're in the back seat. So I don't know if they're okay with a shot. That's Hunter and Lauren.
Hi, YouTube.
So we're ready to go. Okay, we'll keep y'all updated. Next stop, the airport. Okay, we're checking in. We just got us something to eat. We board our plane in about 45 minutes. We haven't gotten in trouble. No one's been tased. Hunter, was it close? Were you close to being tased? No. Be Miami bound soon, and we'll check in. Just arrived in Miami. All right, so we're heading through. We're headed down to baggage claim, and then we'll get our bags, head out, hail a taxi, and then head to the rental. Okay, we made it to our vacation rental. It has a kitchen area, washer and dryer, little two-top oven. This is the cutest. It's a little dishwasher. Wash the sink, and then you got a little fridge so you can keep all of your drinks and stuff cool. We got it turned on so we can go order some things. Then it has the couch area, 2 chairs, and I'll show y'all the view in the morning. I think it'll be better then. Has the big TV area in here. Okay, hey, this is our condo the next morning. When we woke up, the view here is gorgeous. Had the ocean, and here we have a very short walk to the beach. We have the pool right there. There's a restaurant downstairs, and we'll be headed down. Here is the bathroom at the condo. The sink area. Then we have the shower, bathtub, have the mirror. Oh, a useless piece of equipment. Here we have the area you can get ready in. Your makeup on before dinner, and then the restroom is separate in a closet with closing doors, And a shelf in there. Okay, here's the walkway to the beach. You can bring your pets here. They do have a bicycle rental here, and it is included with your stay if you want to ride the bike down the boardwalk area. That's kind of like a little mini splash pad to clean the sand off of your feet. And the gates to the pool area. And this is the way to the beach. They have a beach service here where you can have your lounge chairs, umbrellas, and towels. And then they have food service, which they'll come down to the beach and you can order and pay, along with a long list of a drink menu. And everything's really reasonably priced, and they bring it right to you. Sweet vacation. This is the Bayside area in Miami, where they have shopping, food, and you're right on the bay. All the little areas to go shopping, eating areas, and the harbor, which they have a lot of tours, drinks, dancing, parties. Just a lively area to come down to if you're in Miami. The harbor area, we're up. That's where you can do some of the cruises and tours, and they take you on one of these boats and you can go see all of the stars or even athletes, their houses that they have here on the bay. And this down here looks like a dance party tonight. Annie P, you gonna go down there and get your boogie on? That is the niftiest. Okay, watch them wash their feet off. I wish they had that in Panama City. That is a, or Destin, that's a 2 thumbs up. Okay, there is the Carillon where we stay. And this is Collins Avenue. And then right here is the Publix, which is directly across the street. And there's even a crosswalk right there coming out of our hotel that leads you into the Publix. So it's very convenient. So Hunter, Lauren, and I guess this is where Annie P is leaving us. Goodbye, Annie P.
Bye, people. Did you give her the key card?
She has one.
Okay.
It's like Flash Annie P. Go, Annie P. Go. I'm so scared. Miami, South Beach by myself with 2 kids. Here we go.
2 crazy kids, bitch.
We've been walking up and down the North Beach here. Oh, he's mad.
Okay.
Lauren be getting her some, got her hat.
Yeah. I'm like so hot right now.
So hot.
It's so spicy.
Okay, so we have had 3 nights in Miami. It was both of your first time to really stay down here and immerse yourself in the city.
It was pretty good. I mean, yeah, they had a beautiful beach. The food was good here, and the city's beautiful.
You had a good time.
Yep, yep.
Lauren got close to a manatee.
Yeah.
Maybe Uncle Dad can put that in the video picture. At least you were warned by the yelling. She was funny.
Yeah.
Well, Lauren, what's your thoughts on Miami?
I like it.
Did you have a good time?
I did.
Cool. We know that we've cruised from here before, but we've never just stayed. So y'all would definitely want to come back with Aunt T to the beach here? Well, I've loved spending time with y'all.
I'm your favorite.
We've been seeing lizards run out in front of us. I about tripped and broke my ankle on this flip-flop. Wait, there's one. Is that one? See, it's a baby. See, they're everywhere. See? Can you see him? Y'all see the baby? Oh, this is the entrance into the hotel that we're staying at. So pretty. And then this is what they call the corner store. So you got one? Okay. This is the hallway to the condo. And here's our room. 618. Is the sun already set?
No, but look outside.
Oh, a cruise ship's leaving. Okay, today is Sunday, so that is the Oasis. I'll be on it in 3 weeks. I think it's 3 weeks. Ready to load the plane to get on our way back to home. It's been a great trip, and we'll be back. When, Annie P? 2:30 to Nashville. We'll be back to Miami in 3 weeks. 3 weeks. So we'll see you then. Bye.